When it comes to dumpster pads, we've all seen better, we've all seen worse. This certainly is not among the worst. The dumpster is gone. They have their grease bin here. Restaurant here that I just washed. I'm anticipating that this is going to turn out 100%. Don't go anywhere.
Out in Ohio where the rents are fly. Got a man named Mike, he's your wash guy. House wash, roof made clean.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse. I'm the guy who likes to talk about pressure washing too much. Anyhow, here we are in Washington Courthouse, Ohio, to wash this dumpster pad. We'll wash all the concrete. I've already washed the buildings. In fact, I've washed the entire building. And here we are at nearly 3 o'clock. Time to finish up, wrap up this job. We're gonna do this, and Lord willing, it's gonna turn out very, very nice. This is gonna be our mode of attack. I'm gonna whisk everything away. I don't wanna risk getting anything into the tips of my surface cleaner. And after I do that, I'm then going to surface clean it. Then I'm going to put down some sodium hydroxide all over this. It's going to make it look fantastic. I mean, absolutely amazing. And you're going to get to join me along the journey. So here we go.
If you got a spot that's looking great, call Mike Carmody, save the day. Fresh Rinse service is here to stay, making Ohio shine, clearing the way.
Okay, we have whisked everything away, all the debris, leaves and such. Now, what we have done is just laid down one coat of house mix, just sodium hypochlorite. Just gonna let that dwell for just a minute, and that's just to kill off any organics, of course. So I'm gonna take my turbo nozzle, just blast a little bit of this up. I'm not commissioned to clean that, so I'm not going to clean that. And then I'm gonna do something very unconventional. After I surface clean this with my 19-inch Whisper Wash Classic and rinse it, I'm going to, with a pump sprayer, douse all of this with sodium hydroxide beads. 1 cup per gallon, that's a lot. That's a heavy mix. But I've got another restaurant to clean after this one. So we're going to make this quick work. So let's surface clean this, rinse, and then put down the sodium hydroxide beads. I'll mix that up and show it to you here in just a moment. Okay, so as a pro tip with sodium hydroxide, and really just about any chemical, I'm gonna call that a cup, okay? Because I don't have this is a big gulp. All right, so anytime you're mixing chemicals, you should really put the chemical in first. The chemical goes in first. Then we're gonna come over here and we're going to fill that with water. Just like so. Let that mix up real good. And I like to put just a dollop of surfactant in there. Just a dollop. Just a dollop, as Joe Deary would say. Now I think it goes without saying that you can downstream this. You can certainly use an X-Jet and get an even heavier mix than downstreaming. This is going to give us a nice heavy coat of sodium hydroxide on these greasy, oily areas. Of course, I am wearing gloves. My legs are not covered, but I would encourage that. Now, if you've got heat, obviously you are at an advantage. But if you don't have heat, like me, then this is a great alternative. And it's a cheaper alternative than using heat. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna surface clean it. Don't go anywhere. Hey guys, those of you who are members of my Exclusively Fresh Patreon channel are watching this dumpster pad cleaning video and are probably reminded of one particular member benefit called Professional. It's where members get exclusive information about washes just like this one, how to bid and upsell these jobs, exact chemical ratios, cleaning tips and tricks, and so much more. Text XFresh to the number below and I'll personally send you the link to my Xclusively Fresh sign-up form, or simply click the link in the comment section of this video. Washers just like you are finding great help with their pressure washing business, and we're having a lot of fun doing it. All right, back to the video. Okay, we have allowed this to dwell for about 10 or 12 minutes. I'm confident that I'm going to have to do this twice, so I've already mixed up another batch. We'll surface clean, see what it looks like, and then maybe try it again. Okay, here's where we're at after a wash and a rinse. I was able to move the grease container, so we're going to get that as well. But, you know, so far, not 100%, but much better than it was. We're going to try one more coat, go at it one more time, and then that will be it. And then we'll call it quits. All right, we're all wrapped up on this project. Gonna head down to another restaurant and wash another pad here in just a moment. So you remember where we were when we first got here with this one, and here we are now. So this was with no heat. These are just stains. I don't know that they'll ever get these stains out. But you can see so much better than where it was when we first got here. This is a nice little swell right there, so that grease is just going to collect there. I'm not disappointed. I'm confident that the business owner will not be disappointed. We're all wrapped up on this one. All right, hey, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoy this type of video, be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure and hit the bell tab. Leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it. My name's Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.
Remember the name.